Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're talking about the ultimate solution for pool stabilization, the Poolmate 1-2607B Pool Stabilizer. This isn't just any stabilizer, folks. It's the best stabilizer for pools available, and I'm going to tell you why. First off, let's talk about what makes this product stand out. The Poolmate stabilizer contains cyanuric acid, which is crucial for maintaining the chlorine levels in your pool. This acid helps reduce chlorine loss due to sunlight exposure, meaning your pool stays cleaner and safer for longer periods. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The Poolmate stabilizer comes in a granular form, making it incredibly easy to apply. No fuss, no mess. Simply add the recommended amount to your pool water, and watch as it works its magic, increasing cyanuric acid levels and improving the effectiveness of your chlorine. But what about the cost? Well, fear not. Despite its premium quality, the Poolmate stabilizer is surprisingly affordable. Plus, with its ability to reduce chlorine consumption by up to 25%, it actually saves you money in the long run. Talk about a win-win. In conclusion, if you want to keep your pool clean, safe, and cost-effective, look no further than the Poolmate 1-2607B Pool Stabilizer. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, happy swimming!